got the original indicator. I think the motor is original. You're right too. Wow, I love them. The outdoor track is original, but the inner track was not original. Let's go down to P2 again. Thank you. It looks like it's all original. Steel wall, skate patch. Everything's original except for the buttons. Alright. These are the new elevators at the, I think it's called the Seaside Promenade, something like that. The P2. These elevators replaced the Dovers. We'll go up to 2. I think the upper floors are locked off. These are Gen 2s. Can we go up the roof? Oh, we could go up the roof, okay. We're not gonna go up, got out there, but just to take a quick look. LB2. Oh, they put a door there. Okay. This thing's tall. Really nice. Updated Series 2. This installed recently. You know, get off of G. Wow, it just installed about almost a month ago. You're at G. Just want to show you something. The old Dover is right there, and that's it.